When Claudio was admitted last year to our facility, he sustained a motor vehicle accident, was left him with a T7 spinal cord injury. He was paralyzed from T7 down. He had edema on his lower legs. His mood was increasingly low and he was dependent on the mechanical ventilator. He was, in terms of occupational therapy, he required full nursing care assistance from the team, and he was dependent for all his functional mobility as well. He sustained a pressure injury from the acute hospital and came to our facility like that. As part of the multidisciplinary team at Amana, I'm an occupational therapist, so I worked alongside the physiotherapist, speech and language therapist or pathologist, as well as respiratory therapist. Our role as a team member was to increase, or basically Claudio's goals was he wanted to be able to groom himself, he wanted to be able to breathe on his own, and he wanted to be able to shower. When he came in initially, he had no sitting balance, no trunk control. He had physical challenges, and he also had, his mood was one of the contributing factors to it. Because of the pressure injury, it was very limiting in what the therapy could do. Along with the team, we worked to a point where we actually got him to sit over the edge of the bed.
The third goal actually we achieved, and we, with our team, who focused on was his mood, because when he came to Amana, he was really with low mood, which is affected on his care and also the participating and engaging with the therapy team and session. So our main goal was to increase his mood. So we were taking him out of his home daily, taking him to the gym, to the garden, make a weekly quality of life, and also involve his family in his therapy session, which is overall help us to improve his mood, and his participation in therapy session improved a lot. So I'm really happy for Claudio that he was a really real hero, and he helped us to achieve these goals.
He was able to maintain his sitting balance for 4 minutes. He can groom himself or participate in basic activities of daily living independently. He is with the team again. He is able to breathe on his own now. He's not on a mechanical ventilator, and he can shower, and that's what he wanted to do. So I think as a team we worked really well to be able to achieve Claudio's goals. Afterwards, like I mentioned now, initially when he came in with all the contributing factors to his condition, he made significant progress. Initially, he was just bedbound, and it was just about positioning and maintaining his position. We got him to a point where he was able to sit in a wheelchair for up to 2 hours, participate in quality of life outings, be able to participate in basic activities of daily living, such as grooming himself, dressing himself. He obviously needs help with his lower body, but that's manageable. He also kind of self-propelled. He started a therapy program as well to focus on strengthening his upper limbs as well as maintaining the range of motion in his lower limbs. So overall, although fully dependent when he came in, he actually left with some independent form of independence, and while achieving his goals that he wanted to.
Luckily, Claudio who went back to his home, and he's now with his family and happy. I'm happy to see him also here in the house with his family, and hopefully also he can be achieving more goals at home as well.